Pickleball is the fastest growing sport in the nation right now. It's a cross between badminton, ping pong, and tennis. It's very addictive. Once you start, you just can't stop playing.
I have a t-shirt that says Pickleball Addict. That's the truth. You get addicted to this game. It's so much fun.
1, 2, 1.
We have around 100 members right now. We probably have 40 to 50 people that play regularly, like almost on a daily basis.
It's all about laughter and having fun, getting some exercise.
With the playing of pickleball, I really met a whole new group of friends.
Nice shot, Dad.
Once pickleball started growing, as you look at our complex right now, this was 3 dilapidated tennis courts. That when the city started seeing the popularity, they let us first. We were chalking lines, so every time it rained, you would come in and have to re-chalk the lines. You could put 2 pickleball courts on 1 tennis court. And when the city saw the popularity, they gave us seed money to build a pickleball complex that we have here. We have 6 dedicated courts, 6 temporary courts.
There's a competitive part to the game, obviously, but we're also a very social club. We do things outside of pickleball. We go kayaking, we go out to dinner. We're just a really fun group of people, and you know, that's why people have been playing for 5 or more years here.
You're just welcomed. No matter how long you've played, how good you are, it doesn't matter. It's a family. And I feel that we play in Arizona. I have a family community of pickleball players down there. We have a family in Des Moines. It's just family is pickleball. It's a great sport.